Hi, this is Mike with Thermaltake, and today we're all about power. Digital power, thanks to the new Toughpower DPSG digital power supplies. Now, the DPSG power supplies offer a variety of models from 450 watts to 1050 watts, and are all 80+ gold certified, as well as fully modular across the board. Now, these power supplies are also backed by an outstanding 7-year warranty, have Japanese brand main capacitors for the utmost reliability to your system components for today and tomorrow, and have a unique DPSApp free software monitoring that allows real-time monitoring of your performance, giving you control of your fan speeds, as well as being able to record the statistics of what your power supply puts out every day. Now, let's dig into the DPSG power supplies and see what they're all about. Now, I've laid out what comes included with the DPSG 1050 model, so you'll get an idea of what you'll get inside the box. And of course, we'll go over the differences between each model and what cables they support and their configurations. So of course, all the power supplies will come with a warranty policy booklet here that will cover the basic terms and conditions of the 7-year warranty applied. You'll also get a quick start guide here that will show the different cables and connections on the power supplies, as well as some additional information. Now, thanks to all the power supplies being fully modular, you'll get a nice little black tote bag here that says Thermaltake on the front, and then that way you can store any cables you don't use in here for later, and in case you plan to expand or upgrade down the road, you'll be able to pull those out and connect up what you need. Each power supply will come with 4 screws right here, so that way you can secure the power supply to the chassis. You'll also get 4 black zip ties here for some quick and easy cable management out of the box. There's also a peripheral to floppy power adapter in here, so that way if you need any floppy adaptation for power, you get one. We also have an 18-gauge PSU power cord. You'll get one EPS 12-volt CPU power cord. It's all flat, all black, and it comes in a 4+4 configuration. You'll get an all flat, all black 24-pin ATX power cord, and just to show, it has a 14 and 10-pin connection, which will go to the power supply side for quick and easy, being able to determine, well, which end goes where. It should be pretty straightforward on how this goes in. And then let's talk a little bit about our peripheral here. So peripheral, you got 2 cables here that you showed. This is for the 1050 watt model specifically. Now, for the 450 and the 500 watt, you'll get a single cord. But you still get 4 connections here on the one cord, so they'll give you 4 connections here on this one, and then with the 650 and 750, you'll get 2. So that will give you a total of 8 connections, and it's also the same for the 850 and 1050 model as well. Now, talking PCIe power. PCIe power, you'll get a single cord here for the 450 and 500 watt model, and it'll still have 2 6+2 pin PCIe power connectors on it, so you can still power 2 cards or 1 high-end GPU. And then with the 650 and 750, you'll get 2 cables, so that'll give you an additional 2 more connections here, so a total of 4 6+2. And then for the 850 and 1050, you'll get 3 cables, giving you a total of 6 6+2 power connectors here for your dedicated graphics. Now, same kind of applies for serial ATA. Serial ATA, you'll get 2 cables here, giving you a total of 6 connections apiece, because the 450 and the 500 actually has a 3-pin connection on it specific to the 450 and 500, just to mention. And then the rest of the models here from 650 and up will support cables that have 4 connections on them. So 650, 750 will give you 2. That will give you 8 total. And then with the 850 and 1050 there, you'll get 3 cables, giving you a total of 12 SATA power connectors. So that way, if you're looking at, what power you're going to need, if you're doing some liquid cooling, if you're going to be just running a lot of fans or peripheral devices, keep this in mind in regards to what version you might want to purchase. If you wanted between 750 and 850, there's a jump up in the connectors there. So that might be a wise idea to have a little bit more, because this power supply is likely going to last you a long time. It's got a 7-year warranty on it. Now, as far as the cables go and everything here, these power supplies, again, are digital power supplies. So what that means is there's a digital controller in here to convert the DC to DC power of the power coming into the power supply to give a nice, clean, and efficient power output. These power supplies also have what is called the DPSApp app, and that is thanks to using this peripheral connection cable here that is just a proprietary 4-pin connector that will go to a USB header on the motherboard. Now this right here will plug in on the power supply right here where it's indicated USB, and then this will go to your motherboard. Now what this will allow is additional monitoring of the power supply, including the fan speed, the temperature, being able to control the fan, being able to see what the 12-volt rating output is, being able to see what your efficiency rating output is, your watts per hour, lots of details, and being able to record the statistics that what the power supply is doing over a certain period of time. So that way you can get a perfect example of what power consumption you're pulling from your system, so that way you can plan to make sure that you're meeting what you're looking for. And it's a pretty cool feature too, because everybody always likes to see what they're getting out of their power supply at the same time. So there you have it, the Toughpower DPSG all digital power supply series, from 450 watts all the way up to 1050 watts. These are an ideal solution, a gold solution for your system today or tomorrow. And if you'd like to learn more information about our products, visit our website at www.thermaltake.com and become a member of our new community forums at community.thermaltake.com. And definitely don't forget to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter for all the latest news and reviews about everything Thermaltake. Hey, this is Mike with Thermaltake. Thank you for watching.